Okay, listen, this is a big deal. The opposing team is here, and I'm going to go visit them. Now, normally, I'd want to shake it up a little bit, but I got to keep it neutral. After all, it's friendly competition until I drop the puck. Then the poo-poo hits the fan. Hi, guys. Well, that's absolutely fantastic. When I drop that puck, I want you guys to know I'm a hockey guy, and I hope I don't end up on my ass. Thanks a lot, guys. Take care. Entrepreneurship solves that huge problem. You can't be an entrepreneur without being outgoing and starting to sell and communicating with people and figuring out where you sit in the whole idea of building a business. So it's a fantastic solution to a lot of problems. When you start selling, everything changes. So let's meet her. Well, hello there.
Hello.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Hi, Kevin O'Leary.
I'm Emily.
Emily, I've heard a lot of good things about you. Doing anything on social media?
Yes, I sell them on TikTok,
Yeah.
Facebook, and Instagram.
So that's probably the best thing, because if you can get people that love your work and kind of, become part of your following. We've seen so many companies on Shark Tank that become basically communities. They get people that like them, they want to support them, they have a direct communication with them every day, they make new pieces, and those customers buy them because they really like the entrepreneur. Now, how old are you?
13.
That's incredible. All right. Nice, man.
The only Kevin O'Leary.
So I'm just one advocate for you. I'm going to be your spokesperson. I'm going to bring money here. I'm going to start companies here because I'm proud to do it. And I want to do it because it's good to create envy amongst great states like yours and losers. Cabernet Sauvignon and the Chardonnay. That's what matters. We're going to go to the bar. Great to be here. Thanks a lot.
Yeah, Tom Sawyer, very good to have you.
This is amazing.
This is a good crowd. So let me start by introducing you to Colonel Monroe, the wing commander here.
Colonel, an honor to meet you.
Larry, it's very nice to meet you. This is my first winter in North Dakota. If I can offer one piece of advice, shuffle the feet.
Very impressive. I get it. This is a great place to invest. Work ethic here is amazing. I mean, people here, you can do a meeting at 7 in the morning. You can't do that in California. Nobody's awake at 7 in the morning.
Welcome to Grand Forks.
Mr. Wonderful himself, Kevin O'Leary.
The only way to be authentic is you just have to be yourself 24/7. 15-second ad at 3 in the morning and pinpoint it to Chicago. And that's a very interesting business model too. Thanks a lot, guys.
This is the O'Leary Ventures conference room.
I like it, right in the El Supremo place.
We're going to be right on the O'Leary Ventures.
It's terrific. Let's
We
get
got
the
the heart of the building right here, so we
Yeah.
appreciate it.
This is gas-powered except electrical. Optimistic. Thank you. Good to see you, Josh. It's great.
This is what we do for perimeter security. That is simulation technology we built with Microsoft, and we now acquired the intellectual property to do that. So we are very
Be useful in terms of selling to customers, because this is an impressive place to come into. But these trips get me hooked on a theme and I go crazy. That's what happens. All right, the Hive, which now we've invested in, makes total sense to me. Great people, work ethic's amazing. So really my job is threefold. Do the deals, find them, find good investments. Number two, bring in outside capital. and tell the story of my companies and the state. Why wouldn't I? Very good. Nice to meet you. NHL quality. Are you serious?
Go to the control panel on the wall, and you can mimic the atmospheric conditions.
This whole thing?
Yeah, there's a couple of little pipes in the...
They train every day? Whoa! It came from here?